In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to create 3D wallpapers on iPhone. First off, make sure your device is running iOS 26 or later. Now you want to scroll down to your lock screen. You want to long hold onto your lock screen until you see this plus icon. Now head to it. You want to first add any photo as your wallpaper. Simply click right here and access your photos. Select any, and then you will have to pinch to crop your photo to your own preference. Now once everything is set, simply tap onto this 3D spatial scene icon to turn it on. It will start generating. Once done, tap right here to save changes. You just want to tap right here, and then your 3D wallpaper will get created successfully. Now whenever you move your phone, your wallpaper will also start moving. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. Well, that's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more iOS 26 updates. See you in the next one!